abanyarwanda twese twibande ku muco wa kinyarwanda kuko ni umurage w'abasogokuru n'abasogokuruza b'abanyarwanda.
The Heritage Management Organization was founded in 2008 with the aim to empower key heritage managers to transform heritage assets into dynamic sources of learning, community identity and economic development through targeted training. The Heritage Management Organization offers trainings to heritage caretakers all around the world, in Africa included, such as Ethiopia, Ghana, the Gambia. The Mellon Foundation gave us the opportunity to run this program in Rwanda, and today we are here to deliver a workshop to heritage and tourism caretakers about community and economic development. Our program in Rwanda aims to implement a 3 years intervention action in the country with a prospect of developing the capacity of heritage and tourism practitioners, raising awareness of local and national communities on cultural heritage management, and creating linkages between the heritage-related industries and the tourism sector.
We've been offering training for the last week to different community organisations and museums and those who work with cultural heritage here in Rwanda. We've done some training in Kigali, and then this week here at Red Rocks for the last 2 days with organisations in this area. This session was excellent, so I've really enjoyed having the discussions with the participants of the workshops and discussing the many issues about how we can use cultural and natural resources to provide community benefits.
The training was really good. We really appreciate the heritage organization management. We gained more skills about how we can organize the culture center.
The training was very, very engaging. We've gained so much about our project management, how we should engage sustainably with communities.
The training for those 3 first days, it was very wonderful because it helped us to know what we have and how can we make it as a big product so that we could use it in our upcoming project to getting more money into our community.
I've been very lucky to be able to come to this part of Rwanda and in Rwanda in general and learn from the local organisations here. I can see there's a lot of fantastic projects being done which are really aiming to benefit local communities, provide an amazing tourism experience and conserve culture and the natural environment.
I feel thankful that I had the opportunity to see such an initiative of a community-based organization, and I really had the opportunity to understand how things work here. I would like to thank all of you and the Red Rocks, our friend Greg as well, for hosting us and giving the opportunity to young heritage practitioners to raise their awareness, gain more experience and knowledge on community and economic development.
Umuco gakondo ni mwiza